Okay guys, I got the level 6s installed and I just didn't think a picture would do this justice, so I wanted to take a video. I figured I'd wait till it got dark and I'd light the box up, and I've got four 39-inch RGB strips in here right now. These are what's going to be in the box. Got the level 6 15s, Toolmaker, mirrored plexiglass logos. Let me know what y'all think. Here we go. Flat white, static colors. I really love how that silver carbon fiber really picks up the color of the lights. I can cycle through the modes. And we'll go back static. There we go. Hopefully have it fired up here in the next couple of weeks. Enjoy.